Good, y'all? Welcome back. Right now, I'm about to replace my stock Model Y Performance wing with a GT style spoiler that I bought. It's the same spoiler that I had on my previous build. If you've been here for a long time, this is a quick installation. All you will need is a heat gun, some fishing wire, some glue gun, which I have in the house, and microfiber cloth and some alcohol. So I'm about to run in here and get the glue going. So kids, grab the glue gun. This is what you need. This right here is all you will need. I got that from Ace Hardware. It was $35. Got the glue gun from Home, well, was it TJ Maxx actually. It was cheaper, it was only $4. And I got the fishing wire. Damn, I forgot where I got the fishing wire from. I've had that for a minute, but whatever. So, first things first, I'm gonna do this like half and half. You want to heat up the spoiler. It's already got some, it's already coming up a little bit, so. And then you want to grab you a good bit of fishing wire. Right, and like some floss. You want to get behind and just start doing that. Your fishing wire will break, so that's why you get a lot. So you want to get behind here, and what this is just doing is taking up the adhesive, because there's nothing but 3M tape under here, so you want to like that. And as you can see, it's coming up already. Usually you could just pull it and it should pop right off. Get a little more heat. There you go. I didn't even have to heat up the whole thing. So here is the stock Model Y Performance trunk spoiler. I will be taking that off. And if anybody wants that, I'll ship it to you. You just gotta pay for shipping, but I'll ship it to you if you want it for whatever reason. If you want to get it from me, now I'm gonna hit with the glue gun. And don't worry, I'm gonna wash the car a little bit. Now this part right here, personally, is the most annoying part, because yes, we got the spoiler off, but now we gotta get all this sticky stuff off. And before, I was using this shit. It's called Goo Off, and it was pretty shitty. Basically a knockoff version of this. So hopefully it goes better, or easier I should say, but we shall see. Let it sit for a bit. Let's see. Yeah, see, This part is quite annoying. Just trying to get off the top coat. Forgot I have one of these, just scraper. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna be very careful. I'm barely applying any pressure right now. I don't scrape paint. Let me try to get these big pieces. Maybe fine. Alright, so it looks better than it really is. I got all of the thick pieces off. So, and these small pieces of the adhesive are easy to get off. If you clean it with some, if you spray some alcohol on it, spray some alcohol on it. And I might have to do another round of Goo Gone, but for the most part, spoiler is off. Well, the spoiler's off, but the adhesive is off. And then with this, it give you 3M tape or whatever to stick it back on there yourself. I'm just trying to make sure the Goo Gone doesn't get on anything else that I've put on here. Use a little elbow grease. And this is a pre-owned vehicle, so ain't no telling how long, and it's a 2021, so there's no telling how long the spoiler has been on there and or the condition they kept the car in, meaning if they kept it clean or not. some glue gun. I'll probably get the rest of this off, but for the most part, I got it off. I could install it like this, but I'm a perfectionist. I like to make sure my canvas is as clean as possible, especially when I'm doing something with my car. So let me go. I need another microfiber cloth, which I have. Got two. What's up, bud? Gotta keep you some microfibers, bro. Life changers. Spray some right here. Spray some here. And it is 10:30. Well, it's gonna be 10:30. Let's see. It's 10:30. I'm gonna let this sit for 2 minutes. Now, for the fun part. Got a Smith & Wesson knife. Here we go. This is the spoiler. It is not real carbon fiber, but it's just hard plastic, and it goes like this. So that's the vision. That's what it's gonna look like. I actually just placed it damn near perfect. Come over a bit. Try to line it up with this. So yeah, that's what we'll be looking like. All we have left to do, I'm gonna hit with some more alcohol, and then I'm gonna hit with some alcohol, clean it off, and then install this motherfucker. You see, it got the 3M tape, the stick right on there. So I hit with the gun. All right, y'all, we are complete. My new spoiler has been installed. Here we are. Got the carbon fiber hard plastic. This shit is not coming off. Got it installed on there the right way. So that's that. That's what it looks like from the side. vision came to life perfectly. I see no flaws, no issues. I could have put it a little more to the left, but you can't really tell. So that's it for this video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all tune in for the rest of the mods. Let me know what else y'all want me to put on here.